Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the environment, open Tvl2 and navigate to the Cipher panel. Load the key file or paste a 16-byte hex key into the key slot because an exact key length prevents errors. Choose the Cipher mode, ECB for single block tests, CBC for streaming. Tvl2 may require its custom mode toggle enabled. Once the key is set, pick input type, text, file, or raw bytes, and set output destination so results save automatically. Now you configure parameters and run the operation. Select your exact input source, either clipboard, a file path, or a typed payload. This matters for encoding. Make sure the Roman 4 is set when using CBC or similar modes and pick padding, PKCS 7 or none. Adjust block size if Tvl2 supports subblock options. Incorrect block size corrupts output. Click Encrypt, then watch the console for warnings and progress messages so you can react quickly if something looks off. Finish by verifying and exporting the result. Calculate a checksum or perform a sample decrypt to confirm plaintext recovery, because verification catches silent failures. Export ciphertext in the encoding you need, hex for binary tools or base 64 for text channels, and save both output and metadata like key ID and mode. If verification fails, recheck the key, Roman 4, selected mode, and padding settings. One wrong option causes mismatches, so retest with a known.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.